Hello students, today we will discuss statistics. First topic primary, secondary, discrete and continuous data. Statistics is defined in two ways. First one is as science and second one is as data. Statistics is the science which deals with the collection, presentation, organization, etc. of data to process and give the results. This we all know, but here we have to distinguish which definition is singular and which is plural. So you will notice the underlined portions. Here I have underlined statistics is the science and statistics are the data. Is the science are the data. So statistics as science is singular definition and statistics as data is the plural definition. Here we will discuss our data type. Primary data, first hand data, the data which I collected myself, the data which I observed in laboratory, the data which I did hard work to collect, or the data for which I paid to be collected. The data collected for my purpose are primary data for me. The data collected as per my instructions that please go and collect, those will also be primary data for me. The data collected by anyone else and later used by me, not collected for my purpose. Data collected by anyone else and later used by me are secondary data for me. The one who collected those data will treat it as primary data, but for me it will be secondary data. Methods of collection of primary data are observation method, means like you observe something in a lab and note it down. So that is primary data. So observation method is one of the methods of collection of primary data. Another one is interview method. Interview can be done in three ways: direct or personal interview, or indirect interview, just like those all new channels who send messengers of themselves and organize interviews of people. In case of train accidents, etc., where they can't reach themselves, they send messengers. So indirect interview and telephonic interview also. These three are interview methods. Questionnaire method. So let me tell you what is questionnaire and who are enumerators. Note, enumerators are the persons assigned by some authority to collect data. Just suppose government sends some people to survey. If someone have ever come to your home or house, so that please tell us that we are from census department or we are from government, we want to we want some time of yours and we want some data, please tell us the following information. Those persons are called enumerators who come to your home and collect data. And questionnaire is the question list. Enumerators are carrying a register, and in that register there are many questions written down, which will be answered by you. So the list of questions is called questionnaire. This questionnaire is not only sent and filled by enumerators but also mailed to you sometimes with a business reply envelope uh, attached, so that you insert your answers in it and send it back to the surveyor. So questionnaire can be used in two ways. Mailed questionnaire, mail is not email but it is mail, that means post. And second one is questionnaire sent and filled by enumerators. Secondary data. Secondary data means copied, stolen, purchased, bought data which was not collected for your purpose but you used it, which were not collected by you. Your hard work was not done, your instructions were not given, you did not pay. Those data will be called secondary data. Downloaded data from government or international websites. Copied or stolen or purchased data is also called secondary data. There are no specific types of methods defined for secondary data collection because these are not first hand data. Okay, these are not first hand data, so why would we describing methods or specifying types? Note, if Ram collected data from me and I use it, it will be primary for me, okay, because it was collected for me. But if Ram collected data for himself, but I asked that please give me the data and I used it, then it will be secondary because it was not collected for me. Discrete and continuous data. Discrete and continuous data. So please note this. Students often confuse discrete variable with discrete data. No, discrete variable is not discrete data. Continuous variable is not continuous data. But okay, where discrete and continuous variable is itself a good topic to understand. Discrete and continuous data is a very simple topic. The data in form of class intervals, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, that is continuous data, and individual and grouped discrete series is discrete data. Data where values of observations are simply given, means not in the form of class intervals, is discrete data. But what are discrete and continuous variables? So please, so let us study what are discrete and continuous variables. Discrete variables can't take values in between an interval. Discrete variables assume values only at certain points after some intervals. Discrete variables are usually the type of the number of people, the number of roses, the number of days, the number of benches. Discrete variables are usually not in decimal, but this point is not necessary. Just like your marks can be 4.25 and after 4.25 it can be 4.5, not 4.26. So in between the values are not occurring, so it is not continuous but it is discrete because values are jumping. Value did jump from 4.25 to 4.5. Okay. The number of people in a room, the number of people in a room is 4 and next it will be 5. It can't be 4.3 or 4.5 or 4.7 etc. Means it will jump from 4 to 5. So it is not continuous, so it is discrete. What are continuous variables? Continuous variables are variables like height, weight, profit, etc. Continuous variables can be anything 45.332, 45.333, 45.33333, 5.119. It will not jump from 5 to 6. Just imagine your height is 5, then will it jump directly to 6? No. It will gradually rise from 5 to 6, means continuously rise. Okay, so continuous variables are the variables. Okay, so continuous variables are those variables which take all the values in the given interval. Means if you are given with 4 to 5, so any value from that interval can be assumed by the continuous variable. So this was today's lecture, and the next lecture will be uploaded very soon. Stay tuned and please follow and share and like and subscribe Kailasha Foundation everywhere on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Thank you so much. This was Ankit. Happy learning.